Solga, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the second question from the Linear Digital SAT Test 1 Module 2. Number 2 reads, Mônica Lopes-Ferreira and other at Brazil's Butantan Institute are studying freshwater stingray species Potamotrygon rex to determine whether biological characteristics such as the ray's age and sex have blank effects on the toxicity of their venom. That is to say, if the differences in these traits are associated with considerable variations in venom potency. Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Notice I underlined considerable. Why did I do that? Because a lot of times what you want to do is look after the blank. There might be a synonym, sometimes before it, but usually after there might be a synonym or an antonym to the blank already in the sentence. So if it's you could say have considerable effect on the toxicity of their venom. When we look at our answer choices, we want to look for a synonym to considerable. So in other words, it's so much that you have to consider it. What would best match that? What choice completes the text most logical and precise word or phrase? Disconcerting. If something's disconcerting, it's upsetting. Not going to work. An acceptable effect on the toxicity of their venom. Well, what would be an acceptable level? One that wouldn't kill you? I don't know. That's an awkward fit as well. Does not mean considerable either. And an imperceptible. If it's imperceptible, this is an opposite of what you want. If it's perceptible, then you could detect it. So then you might consider it considerable. But answer choice C is wrong. Substantial. If it's substantial, then it's certainly enough, and usually a little more than enough. So that would be a considerable variation in the venom's potency. So once again, characteristics such as the ray's age and sex would have an effect, such an effect that it's going to make a considerable variation in the venom's potency. It's going to be substantial, more than enough. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with sentence completions. So any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.